in this video, let's fix bugs like this one. Okay, let me show you. Right, this is illegal move, right? Okay, so let's make this game board smaller so it's easier to check, like maybe here. Yeah, so that's temporary make our game board smaller. So we'll go to the view thing. What? Oh, click again. Where is my, let's close all of them. Click, yeah. So where is the sizing? Is our cell size, yeah, this guy. So let's increase this, right, by maybe plus like 3. Is it good enough? Run it. Okay, so can we put this guy here? Oh yeah, so you see everywhere, right, we have the problem. We needed to fix that. It goes, right, it goes out of the board on 4 directions. Okay, so now let's create something like a constraint here. So let's define, we have a reset, okay, initialize reset, okay, and where is our move piece? Oh, we have a move piece here. Move piece reset. Piece add. Let's add one here, like function can move piece, right? Now from here to here, and return boolean. Okay, boolean. So that's return something false to silence, right, to silence the compiler. And we'll test this one. For example, that's okay. Let's go to our test file here. Test file is this guy. Let's create one. Test can move piece, right? So we'll create a game. And let's see if we can move outside. Okay, so xct assert piece at, for example, this guy. This guy here, if it goes from 0, 0 to like maybe negative 2 or negative something, negative 1. So we say okay, xct assert false, right? Expression game.can, it doesn't compile, so let's click here to trigger the compilation. So can again, now yeah. So can we move from a piece from 0, 0, for example, to negative 2 and 0. it should be false. Let's test it. Oh, wait a minute. So where is our code here? Let's hide this one. So yeah, we return false. Let's return true for now. Okay, so test again. Yeah, it failed because this should be false. Now let's add the logic for that. Okay, so we don't want that. Okay, so we can say if, no, not if that, if, yes, for example, 2 column, right, is less than 0, or 2 column is, wow, that's terrible, okay, is greater than 8, right, or 2 column, no, 2 row is less than 0, or 2 row is greater than 9, then we return false, right? That's the logic we need. Let's test it again. Tester succeeded. Okay, good. And now let's try to use this logic in our code to make sure we can fix that. We can fix, so run it. Let's make sure we can fix something like that. Okay, now where is the code? Let's go to can move piece. Okay, so let's go to content view. So we can check if only if we can move the piece, we do it, right? Otherwise we just ignore it and move. So where is the code to move a piece? Move piece, yes, it's here. So game move piece. So we put a guard here, can we? Like, otherwise we ignore it. So move piece. Okay, we can put a guard. Game dot can move piece from from column from row, and 2 column 2 row, right? Else let's return. Okay, now can we fix that? Let's run it again. So do it again. No, you see, it's fixed. What about this one? No. Yeah. What about this one? No. This guy? No. Never. Oh. Yeah, you see? We cannot go outside, right? And we also tested in our test case. So now we can put, because we already test this one, we can put resume the normal board size. It's here somewhere. Yeah, this guy. Let's put it back. Okay, now what's the next? So next, let's fix something like capture our own piece, okay, like that. This doesn't make sense, right? Okay, so how can we do that? Like this one, right? We cannot capture our own piece. So let's do test-driven coding. So that adds another one function, like, oh no, it's better to use this test capture test capture on piece. So let's create a game here, and xct assert false, right? Xct assert false, which means game dot can move piece. Let's use this guy. So this guy, right? So from 0 0 to 0 3, yeah, from 0 0 to 0 3, it should be invalid. Now let's test it. Yeah, of course, as expected, right? As expected, it failed. Now let's fix that. So where is our can move? Okay, let's go to our, it's not a view file, it's our game engine, this one. So can move, we need to check the candidate, the moving piece. So we can do something like that. Interesting. So we can maybe we can put some here below it. So guard let moving piece equals piece add, right? Piece add from column and from row. So this one, if it's empty, of course, is return false. Otherwise, we can say if that target piece equals piece add 2 column and 2 row. So if this is not empty, and we return target piece dot is red, right? Not equal to moving piece dot is red. Yeah. Now let's run it again here. Yeah, it passed. We can also add like test capture. Okay, so we can test like move empty, move from empty location. Okay, so test move piece from empty. Okay, so we can do that, make a copy of that. Empty, so row 0 and column 0 and row 1 is empty, right? Yeah, so whatever the destination, it doesn't matter. So let's test it. If there's no diamond here, you can, for example, click anyone, or you can click other place, other file, and it will be here. Now let's test it again. Yeah, it passed. Cool. Now that's command U to test all of them. Yeah, test succeeded. Yeah, it means command U will run all of them here. We can now test it on our app, right? Run it. So let's see if we can capture ourselves. No, you see? Let's do this. No, right? And capture ourselves. No, but capture the enemy. Okay, yeah, right? It's doable. What about, okay, capture ourselves again? No, you see? It works. Cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.